What up, YouTube? Good morning. It's Friday, and we got some car stuff to do today. Oh, schnizzle. We got Letterkenny out there blowing stuff up. Let me catch a glimpse of that real quick. Alright, back to what I was saying before the Letterkenny explosion stuff. I gotta go to my dad's, pick him up, take him to Walmart, go get a new cell phone. After that, probably gonna go get Clayton's turbo from the shop, take it to my uncle so he can cut them bolts off or get them out of the turbo. Then after that, later in the evening, I'm gonna help Joey do his suspension on his Jeep Cherokee. Stay tuned for more car stuff. Alright, now that task is done, I'm gonna help him get his stuff inside so I can get to the shop. Take all his groceries. Alright, so I'm finally done helping my dad. That took like 2 hours just to do all his stuff, get his cell phone set up and whatnot. Plans changed. I guess I'm not helping Josh right now. Josh is going to help Dylan get the Subaru back from York, which you guys haven't seen yet. Stay tuned for that fun. So I'm at the shop, picking up this turbo, put it in the back of my truck, take it to my uncle's shop. Oh, bitch is kind of heavy. Fucking leaking shit. Going to pick up Clayton. It's right down the street. Arriving at Summit Diesel and Auto Care. We're at my uncle's shop. Terpsky? Terpsky. It's all oily and dirty.
Yeah, we might be able to clean it.
What's up, queer? I don't hear no from back. Oh, he's in the back. Peterbilt. He's putting the sensors on. Like that sensor. Look at that tiny thing. So small.
Pushes like a whole 2 pounds.
Right?
I don't know, Josh told me if I
He'll be able to get these things off.
if I hit him.
Red hot. Last stud coming out. Rethread it real quick. That's all complete. Tapped out. New threads in them. Sweet. Clayton set up. Downpipe. Downpipe now. New downpipe going on soon. Alright guys, Clayton and I are gonna go help my uncle out. We're about to go get propane and gas for his torch. Oh, it's oxygen actually. Yeah, it's oxygen, no gas. Gas is in the red bottle. This man's is straight up carrying his shoes and walking with no shoes on.
Not even socks, bro.
No socks.
But he's got sunglasses on.
He's got his
nice
boots.
Cloudy day, bro.
He's got his boots right there. I can't focus. Why is his boots on his back with his socks?
I might be a little drunk, so what?
That dude was definitely drunk. Alright, we made it to AWG Gas and Welding Supplies. Thanks, sir.
Got it?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
They got some up inside for paperwork yet.
Yep, I'll be up.
You just gonna pull up front?
Yeah.
What's your camera, sir?
Yeah, I got it. YouTube videos.
Oh, are you putting it on YouTube?
Alright, just stopped at my house real quick to grab my charger so we could charge up the battery so we can keep filming. Alright, we're going back to my uncle's shop right now. Let's see if I can not tear up my yard this time. Woo, good. Alright, we're back at the shop, dropping this oxygen tank off and these propane tanks. Let me grab his receipt real quick. Ah, it's raining. This is good to go.
Bro, can we? I'm about to wipe it a little bit. Gotta wipe the old turdsky down.
Shine it up a little bit. Make her all clean like. Alright, she's nice and shiny now. Not as greasy as she used to be. Alright. Sweet!
Put this in the back seat so that I get rained on.
Alright, leaving the shop. Off to my shop now. Help Joey.
Your brain is snoring, you sleep on me until you can't no more. Don't fake on me and try to play the boy. I don't know why I feel like nobody loves me.
Dude, this Friday traffic sucks so bad. Slow as hell.
People hate me. You gotta get this fucking brand man. Cause if you don't, then you say damn it.
I was gonna say let's go in, but never mind.
Yeah, fuck going in there. There's a bunch of people in there, so we're going through the drive-thru. That is the way. We at Chick-Fil-A. Go and get that food.
Is that a little bit of a ripoff?
How else may I serve you?
And can I just get some honey mustard?
Absolutely.
And that's everything.
Okay, give me one.
Yeah, there was definitely a lot of people in there. We was not trying to go in there with all them heads. Now we gotta wait on our food. Oh yeah. We can't just get it and leave. What kind of shit is that?
This one's nuggets, man.
Yep, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Alright, we just spotted a homie. He's about to come through the drive-thru of Chick-Fil-A right now. So we're gonna wait for him.
They did my order like perfect.
Come on, follow us. It's like a Baja Toyota truck, kinda.
Like that's my future goal. I'm gonna grab a two-seater.
Yeah, do that.
Jack it up
It's
a
pretty
little bit.
sick. Then we can film all kinds of cool shit.
I might take away the tailgate too.
Dope. We are gonna move Clayton's car right now. Actually, right now we're going to his house to get his key so he can move his car. So the wheel can come unlocked. But we're gonna move that and then get Joey's Jeep in here and start working on that. Alright. Actually, I think I'm going to end today's video. I did a lot of stuff today. The main thing was getting Clayton's studs out of his turbo, which we did that over at my uncle's shop today. So go like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, keep watching the channel basically. Keep up with us. We are the Mischief Men. Peace out.